You got today is a set of 4 mugs, Miss Tara Tesher, and these are all gift box.
Yes.
Right down to about $4.50 per mug.
Yep.
And we've got all your favorite patterns in these, and they're all made of stoneware. So
yes.
what does that mean?
It means it can go in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave. Our mugs are not just for beverages. You can actually bake in them as well. And this is an item that we do every year. You wait for it. I love this year's because we incorporated all of those new patterns that you guys have been collecting, whether it be Pawfetti, whether it be, of course, our woodland. We'll get to all of those, but truly something for everybody. And this is designed as that great break-apart gift for what you said, $4.50 a mug.
Now, each mug is how many ounces?
16 ounces
16
in total.
Ounces, and there's also a gift box that matches.
Coordinated gift boxes for
that
each one.
all works together for each one. So we've all got all that coming together for you. And shall we go through our color choices?
I would love to.
All right. Now, woodland is always a popular choice. And Tara, you put a cardinal on here. Why?
I did. So I like to call this our winter woodland, and that cardinal actually will act for your thumbprint. So when you are drinking right out of that cup, look how sweet that is. And I do that in honor of my dad. So again, whenever cardinals are visiting, it is always a sign, right? So I love if there's someone on your list that you share that kind of affinity for, this would be perfect to go with it.
When cardinals appear, angels are near.
Exactly.
I love
that.
Now, in woodland, you get one of each.
Yes,
now,
you do.
You all get the same gift box. So I wanted to bring out one of the gift boxes here to show you. This will come with all your woodland. So you're going to get one of each color. You'll get the taupe, the gray, the slate blue, and the always popular, most popular white. So all that is going to be included. Tara, let me hand that back to you.
No problem.
Then we also have Doodle-Doo.
Oh, I love Doodle-Doo.
And we did all the colors of Doodle-Doo. So I've got red Doodle-Doo, white Doodle-Doo.
With the reverse, yep.
And then we've got black Doodle-Doo. And then gray Doodle-Doo, right? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I only have 2,500 in the Doodle-Doo to go around.
And they have that great canteen shape. So again, the boxes color coordinate, and the mugs take on a different silhouette for each style. Yes. My favorite. You sound like Jackson, by the way.
Oh, look at this.
How about a little Pawfetti?
How about a little Pawfetti for the kitty cats and puppy dogs? That was my best puppy
it.
dog.
It was good.
That was my best one I had.
This is by far my fave. I have to say, I have adored bringing this pattern to all of you. The gift boxes are stinking cute. So again, if it's someone on your list that you want to break this apart for,
what if you work with someone who's a huge dog or cat lover?
Yes.
Instant gift.
Or the person who walks your dog and cat.
Oh,
well, I don't think they walk your cat, but they probably walk your dog.
They probably come and feed your cat. Yeah.
Good idea.
And they change out the litter box.
Much better.
Yeah, exactly. Although it would be kind of funny to walk a cat.
It would.
Now, if you want Pawfetti, I have fewer than 1,000 and most popular.
Oh, wow.
And most limited. Now, here's poinsettia. The poinsettia will have the poinsettia pattern, but also a nice big red cardinal in honor of Tara's dad. Remember, when you lose a loved one, God sends a cardinal as a way of showing you that there's always an angel looking over you.
I love this one. Beautiful.
Because when cardinals appear, angels are near.
Yeah.
Exactly. And then snowflake,
Look at this silhouette. Yes, love this chubby belly. You can slide your hand right through that helper handle there on the side. And again, look at the gift box. So cute. And these are actually what we call a beautiful snowflake pattern where you have the reverse. So you have that kind of gray, charcoal gray, then the white has the lighter gray. Then you have the white with the darker gray, and then the true gray with the pop of white snowflake. So truly, these were designed to break apart and to pick up for your own or multiple sets, whatever you want. They're phenomenal.
There is no order on or limit on how many you can order. You can order as many sets as you like, and 1,400 sets are already spoken for. Now, if you want Pawfetti, it's now over half gone with 600 remaining.
Wow.
Woodland is our next most popular, and all these are dishwasher safe.
Yes,
is that correct?
Dishwasher safe, microwave safe. So I just came out of the oven, David, because here's what I love. We started by saying not all of our mugs are just for drinking. How about doing a beautiful ooey gooey mac and cheese? This now becomes your breakfast mug, your lunch mug, your soup mug, your oatmeal mug, whatever you want to make inside here. It's literally like a small baker at 16 ounces total capacity. So we did a mac and cheese. Look at this. You could do your canned soups in here, or maybe you like to make your soup. We did just kind of like a chicken noodle soup. We did a cute little chili in the front, and then chicken fingers for lunch.
Sweet Pea, I have to interrupt you.
Are you whimpering? Are you whimpering?
Is gone.
Oh my gosh.
Pawfetti is gone, and 3,000 sets are over. You're going to show us those recipe cards in a moment. But let me
yes,
grab
I will.
Pawfetti, and is it better this way?
Oh boy.
All right, and I have 1,200 people on the phone lines. I also have gift boxes. Do we have somebody over here I can hand these gift boxes to? There we go. Perfect. All right, before I go back over to Tara, let me go through the options.
Sure,
I'm going to move over the woodland. Pardon my back. All right, now, let me sneak back this way. So here's woodland. Most popular now is the woodland. You get the gray, the slate blue, the taupe, and the white, all with the cardinal on the handle.
That's right.
Then up top is the poinsettia. with the cardinal and the poinsettia pattern. Then I've got Doodle Doo. 2,000 left in Doodle Doo.
Wow.
And Snowflake. I have 1,200 left in Snowflake. Did I miss one?
No, I was going to say, could you reverse the cardinal just to show the backside also has that beautiful poinsettia pattern? So you have the cardinal on the front, you have the poinsettia. So if you were layering this in with your holiday dinnerware, your Christmas dinnerware, you can have the cardinal in the front or the poinsettia in the front. So again, you pick. The pattern goes all the way around, so I design it so there's not a left hand or a right hand. You have the pattern on both. It also comes with 4 great recipes. So we have a red velvet hot chocolate. Yes, please. A peppermint white hot chocolate. Okay.
Well, I think that was in the microwave,
So
isn't it?
it is. Oh, thank you, my friend. Is that hot? You need a glove? We
it's
have
good.
We have the salted caramel hot chocolate, and then we have the espresso hot chocolate.
You want to dress this up?
Yes, yes. If you want to put him right down there.
Oh, we're going to put him down here?
Just to make it easier for you. Yes.
Put him down here.
By you, I mean the camera.
And then we're going to hit it with some crushed peppermint.
Yes.
Right here.
Little crushed peppermint.
Little crushed peppermint.
Look at that. So this, again, we came right out of the microwave. Look at this spoon. Like I can't.
And it's a peppermint
Peppermint spoon. This silhouette, you guys, is one of my favorites. This is actually like one of those fancy drinks where we put a little caramel sauce and a little hot chocolate. So remember, cold things colder longer, hot things hotter longer, and a day in the life. So good. A day in the life of a mug, whether you're doing mulled cider, right? David and I love, whenever we're doing a holiday party, we always put a little crock on the stove with some of our beautiful cinnamon sticks here. Now you have it in a mug. So again, a mug to me.
What I do for aroma sometimes is I'll put a little crock on the stove and I'll put mulling spices and cinnamon sticks in it.
Yes, love that.
And then apple cider.
Yes.
And then put it on low simmer and just let it fill the house full of Christmas smell. This is phenomenal. We're very, very busy. In fact, now we've taken orders for 7,000 sets are gone. Now, let's go through our choices because we already lost Paulfetti and it looks like we may lose another one here directly. This is Doodle Doo. 1,500 remaining. Here's Woodland. Most popular, and if you'll hand me one of the boxes for Woodland.
Of course, thank you.
This is the box that will come with your Woodland choices.
Little 2 Frumbo.
And so, just beautiful, so don't miss out on that. Then up top is Poinsettia. And then Snowflake.
You can keep that box over there. Snowflake, I love that silhouette. We debuted this last year, super popular, brought it back this year, because you guys love that silhouette.
And we have 300 left in Snowflake.
There you go.
300.
Case in point. Case in point.
So these are going very quickly. They break down to $4.50 a gift. You get 4 different gifts here. So think about this one. Let me remove Paulfetti.
Oh, no.
I know,
There
right?
goes our breakfast.
There goes the breakfast. Hey, think about this. Hairdresser, school teacher, teacher's aide, school bus driver, mail carrier, UPS driver, FedEx delivery person. Maybe you got some other delivery people that come to your house. Yeah.
What, have you been spying on me?
Yeah, maybe. And we just saw Snowflake. Let's take Snowflake away. I'm telling you. Oh, and Tara, I'm probably a little late to be mentioning this, but I don't think there's a reorder.
There is not a reorder coming in. That is correct. What we brought in is what we brought in for the year. And as I mentioned, this is something that we do every year. And David and I always talk about a mug being a memory and a moment. That personal time. I know for me in the morning, I get up an hour early so that I can sit and have my coffee and have peace and quiet before the insanity starts, right, of our day. Like you always talk about emails, binging and bonging and things going on. This is that time. So when you gift somebody a mug, you're gifting them a memory, you're gifting them a moment, you're gifting them quiet time where they can have permission to do what they want to do. And these are the perfect way to do that. And I love the way they all turned out with the recipe cards, with the coordinated gift boxes. Would it have been easy to just do a boring, same old gift box? Yes. But when you're gifting something of Temp-tations, you want it to be special. How you doing?
Oh, I'm out of breath. Hey, can I tell you that we have now taken orders for half our quantity on these are gone. No reorder coming in before Christmas. We are less than 3 months until Christmas. How you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
So let's review real quickly what we have left. Doodle Doo brought in 2,600. I have 750 left. In the Woodland, fewer than 5,000 remaining, but we brought in a few more of those.
We always do, yes.
And in Poinsettia, we have fewer than 5,000. We have 1,500 people on the phone line. So QVC.com mobile apps are your 2 best ways to get through right now and place your order. Remember, if you're using a Q card, you can throw this on 6Pay. What?
Love that.
Everything else is 5Pay, but if you're a Q card customer, hello 6Pay.
Yes.
So, and we don't do 6Pay anymore. except for special promotions.
Oh, I love that.
So that's
great
very
idea.
exciting. If you want to buy a roll of cello paper at the craft store, look
Love
what
this
you can
idea.
do.
Yeah, whether you're incorporating Cheryl's cookies inside here or you're just putting a little gift card inside here, we always talk about that. For $4.50 a gift, it gives you an opportunity to add something where you can also personalize it. That's what I love. We used the box to layer it. We filled it, wrapped it in a little cello, put a little bow on it. Bow and go. We were ready to go.
You
Hey, cheers, my
are
friend.
coming back. Yes, cheers, my darling. Because 12,000 are gone.
Thank you.
9,200 remaining, and you have, and we're last call on Doodle Doo. Doodle Doo! And you also have another giftable item coming up.
Yes, a divided bowl. You don't want to miss it. It's a limited edition, which means there's no reorder. It's a one and done.
Wow, limited edition. I might be announcing another product in the show today, this limited edition. I don't know, maybe. But right now, let's check in with